Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Nordic Ware Naturals Big Baking Sheet, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. This 2-pack of baking sheets is crafted from pure aluminum, ensuring that your foods bake and brown evenly thanks to its superior heat conductivity. The reinforced encapsulated steel rim not only prevents warping but also adds extra strength, making these sheets incredibly durable. With an extra-large capacity, these pans can hold more food than standard sheets, allowing you to bake more in each batch, whether you're making cookies or preparing a savory sheet pan dinner. Measuring 21 by 15 by 1 inch on the outside, and slightly smaller on the inside, these sheets are compatible with parchment paper or silicone baking mats for easy use. Cleanup is a breeze, though we recommend hand washing to maintain their quality. Proudly made in the USA by Nordic Ware, these baking sheets are designed to be your go-to choice for all your baking needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.